Today we're looking at the 2025 GMC Canyon AT4 Crew Cab in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 2.7 liter TurboMax engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, you can see we do have our jet black timber interior with our leather heated seats with the AT4 badge along the side, and of course the brown timber stitching. Down low you'll find our power adjustable seat controls. Of course we have our leather wrapped steering wheel with the stitching as well, heated. Our 11-inch display touchscreen with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course we have our dual climate control zones, our volume controls, and our Bose surround speaker systems. At the bottom you'll find our USB-C and USB charge port, our wireless charging pad, drive modes, our shifter, and of course our park brake. We also have 2 cup holders and plenty of space here in our center console. Checking out more of the interior here, we do have our timber accents like I mentioned earlier all the way throughout the vehicle. If we make our way to our driver's side door, you'll find our automatic power windows, our adjustable side mirrors. Up here you'll find our power locks and our seat memory settings. Of course we have trailer brake controls down here. If we take a look up in our windshield, you'll find our heads-up display. And of course if we come down to the steering wheel, you'll find our audio controls, heated steering wheel like I mentioned earlier, and our voice recognition. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings. If we look over here, you'll see this vehicle is a push-to-start ignition with keyless entry and remote start. And of course, if you put this vehicle in reverse, you'll see we do have a 360 built-in camera to go alongside our rear view camera. If we take a look up, you'll see we do have our OnStar as well as our power controls for our power sunroof. Moving on to the back, we do have our leather interior. Although not heated or cooled, they still are very spacious and comfortable with these lovely timber accents along all of these seats. In the middle, you'll see we do have our 2 vents to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge port and our AC outlet there at the bottom. We also have 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is cubbies for extra storage. As you can see, we also do have our rear sliding window and of course our cup holders here in the middle. Checking out the exterior here on the Canyon, we have our classic GMC logo in the middle to go alongside our front-facing camera, our LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims on our Bridgestone tires, our black heated adjustable side mirrors with the camera integrated at the bottom, AT4 badge on the left-hand side, and our keyless entry on our handles here. We have a small tint in the back window, black sports bars on the bed of the truck, our corner steps here to go alongside with our LED tail lights. We also have an AT4 badge here on the bottom right, and of course our hands-free tailgate. Pop that open, open down, no problem, and it leads you straight to our spray-on bed liner to go alongside with our 120-volt outlet here on the right-hand side. And that is our 2025 GMC Canyon AT4 Crew Cab in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.